What's up, everyone? It's JC Tech and Finance here. You saw the title. Apple released the iPad 10th generation last week, and I saw a lot of people unboxing the yellow, pink, or blue iPad. I haven't really seen anyone unbox the silver version, which is basically the only version that you can use in a professional setting. Not to mention, it is the only color that comes close to matching the white color of the Magic Keyboard Folio. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the silver version and give you my thoughts on it. We're also going to be doing an unboxing of the Magic Keyboard Folio right after this. Welcome back. So let's get straight to the unboxing. I love the fact that Apple is now using paper to close all of its boxes rather than using plastic. It helps save the environment. So in the box, we have the new iPad 10th generation itself. I'll put it aside for 1 second. We have the envelope containing the paperwork, the iPad guide, the regulatory information, and 2 Apple stickers. It also has the USB-C 20-watt charger, and new this year, a beautiful braided silver USB-C cable. Okay, let's unwrap the iPad. I love the silver color. It really does look professional. First, for the regular iPad, there's like a Touch ID in the power button. It has a USB-C port, which might seem like a plus at first, but there are a few drawbacks that I would like to discuss later on in the video. It also comes with an all-screen design. That is a first for the regular iPad. It measures 10.9 inches diagonally. This number might sound familiar. It's the same size screen as the latest iPad Air. The changes, however, are more than just skin deep. The processor inside has been updated to be the A14 Bionic chip and now has a 12 megapixel back camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide front camera. In addition, the front camera is now placed in landscape mode, an orientation which is better for video calls. It also comes with landscape stereo speakers and has Wi-Fi 6 and cellular options. With all these similarities to the iPad Air 5, you might be wondering, what is the catch? The catch is that it is only compatible with the first generation of the Apple Pencil. You might be thinking to yourself, the first generation of the Apple Pencil uses Lightning, but the new iPad only has a USB-C port. You'd be right. You will need a special USB-C to Lightning adapter to connect and charge your Apple Pencil. The display has 500 nits of brightness. It's 7 millimeters thin and weighs just over a pound. The price for the base 64GB model is now $449 compared to the $329 starting price of the 9th generation. But that's only half the story. The other half is the release of the new Magic Keyboard Folio, which I'm going to unbox right now. So in the box, we have the Magic Keyboard Folio, we have the back, and we have the documentation. So one thing that I did not mention is that the connector for the keyboard is now at the bottom of the iPad as opposed to the back. So let's get this attached and set up and see what we have. That was easy. In addition, there's a flip stand at the back, which I can extend. And there you go. This is the iPad 10th generation attached to the new Magic Keyboard Folio. In summary, you basically have a keyboard and a folio stand all in one. It features a built-in trackpad and a 14-key function row. It features an adjustable stand that offers, and combined with the back and the front, it keeps your iPad protected wherever you go. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out more videos like this, you can see my iPad Air 4 unboxing review, which is an iPad quite similar to this. So one thing that I'm going to unbox in the next few days is the new Logitech Crayon, which will soon appear in this location here. One special thing about this is that this has a USB-C connection as opposed to Lightning, so there should be easier connectivity for this device compared to the original Apple Pencil. Thanks again for watching. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.